So yes, my dear viewers, yes, first of all, tell me about journey. Are you practicing or not? I hope you are practicing because I know you have also burning desire to learn or improve new things. And I know, I believe in you, okay? Don't worry, I believe in you. You are practicing daily. You are consistent with your journey. But I didn't. Sorry for that. But now I start, not start, I resume my journey again. Okay, so yes.
Hello guys.
You know, who is he? He is my nephew. And guys, you also feel surprised. One thing he also wants to learn English. Literally. And he also wants to learn English. So first of all, I want to introduce him to you. Okay. So, okay, first of all. Yes, Rishabh. Hello, Rishabh. So, yes, please introduce yourself to my viewers.
My name is Rishabh Tomar. I study in class 2nd.
Okay, as he said, like he is studying in class 2nd. And seriously, he has desire to learn English. And you know why he wants to learn English? First of all, I want to tell you, one day he told me, and I believe when I will tell you, you will laugh, literally. And but that time he told me, I really felt very amazing and surprised. You know what he told me when I asked him, why do you want to learn English? So simply he told me, because Didi, whenever you speak in English, I really feel very exciting, very passionate, or very crazy. Literally, he said like that. And that's why I also wants to speak like you. After listening his words, literally, I felt surprise. Still, he is studying in 2nd and he has desire to learn English. That's wow, that's amazing experience I got from his side. Okay, so okay, so Rishabh, tell everyone one thing in English.
Hello guys.
Yes, tell one thing in English. Yes, tell.
Hello guys. I want to learn English.
Oh wow, that's amazing. He also wants to learn English. Wow, that's amazing. And guys, I never ever told him you must learn English. But still, he has desire. He got inspired just by listening. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so Rishabh, tell me, why do you want to learn English?
दीदी मैं आपके जैसे बोलना चाहता हूँ.
Why? Why you want to learn English?
दीदी मैं आपके जैसे बोलना चाहता हूँ.
मेरे जैसे बोलना चाहते हो?
Yes दीदी.
That's perfect. Okay, guys. And today he also wants to learn English because he feels passion to learn this language and he wants to speak like me. Amazing. And from today, we both will learn English together. Are you ready?
Yes दीदी.
Really?
Yes दीदी.
Okay. So guys, he is ready to learn English. if you also ready to learn English,
Yes, Didi.
so let's start new journey with us, he and I. Okay? You also practice with us daily. Okay? So let's English learn together. Hit the like button. Subscribe my YouTube channel Learn and Shine with Sonia. Okay, so thank you so much guys for connecting me here. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say thank you.
लाइक करिएगा.